The Wireless Innovation Project sponsors innovative technologies that can provide the infrastructure for communities to become more robust, to build upon, to become healthier.
Seva means service in Hindi, and what Seva does is bringing sustainable sanitation to local populations.
In developing communities, many international aid organizations are investing in water treatment technologies, and these water treatment technologies are breaking, but the developing communities are unequipped to repair these technologies. So when a sanitation technology breaks, we can install sensors to figure out how that technology broke and when it breaks. And then the second part is enabling communities to be able to repair that technology by sending a series of pictures to their mobile phones that give explicit, easy to follow instructions to repair these sanitation technologies.
So with Seva, we reduce the cost to maintain the technologies, and we also enable local population to take care of them.
Vodafone's Wireless Innovation Project is similar to venture capital in its promoting ideas. The fundamental difference is what we're trying to do is take ideas not for capital gain, but for social good.
We are building remote monitoring technology that improves visibility and accountability for rural water projects in the developing world.
So 750 million people don't have access to clean water currently. And oftentimes this is not because there's no water infrastructure at all, but because there was something and it broke down. And so the reason why things break so quickly is because organizations can't invest in operation and maintenance because they can't monitor those investments.
So we've built a device that measures flow rate in rural water projects, initially flow rate, and it measures how much water is flowing on a daily basis and then reports that over the cellular network to a central location where it can be used to analyze systemic large-scale trends as well as to send specific notifications to the people on the ground who are responsible for maintaining the infrastructure as it breaks.
So what we're doing is building the tools that empower local communities to build reliable infrastructure that lasts.
For me, the most exciting thing about the Wireless Innovation Project is how we are using technology as the catalyst to really magnify and scale the impact that you can do on the ground in developing countries.
Mobility democratizes innovation all around the world. We are seeing people of all ages invent new tools to solve real-world problems.
Our project is a low-cost pulmonary disease diagnostic platform implemented on a mobile phone.
Pulmonary disease is a particularly large burden in developing countries because developing countries have lax air regulations for air pollution. A lot of people smoke, and half of the world still cooks on fire stoves, which generate a lot of smoke and produce a lot of respiratory problems.
So the typical way you diagnose these pulmonary diseases is through a battery of tests. You use 3 main machines, and each of them cost tens of thousands of dollars. In addition, they require advanced training on the part of the technician, all of which is prohibitive in the developing world context. So our solution was to take a series of devices that cost under $100 combined and combine them with some intelligence on a smartphone to diagnose these diseases.
We want to put our mobile platform in the hands of health workers so we can really transform the way that pulmonary diagnostics is currently done, not only in India, but throughout the developing world.
So the Wireless Innovation Project provides that important boost right at that really crucial moment to help these companies go from a really great idea to impacting millions of people around the world.